Hey guys, it's me, Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to this channel, whether you are new or just coming back for more. I appreciate it. So today we're just going to do a real quick video because we're in Arizona. We're going to go to the Hoover Dam in the Grand Canyon and explore the area. So I just need to do something to my face, but I don't have like a lot of time and I didn't want to put on too much makeup because we are going to go hiking later. Show you my 5-minute face. I keep it in this Ipsy bag. It's from one of their Halloween ones, and this is also what I keep in. And this is just what I keep my real quick travel on the go, touch up, 5-minute face type of thing. So I have already moisturized. I am going to use my Tarte Confidence Creamy Powder Foundation in Medium Honey. So that obviously doesn't add like a bunch of full coverage or anything, but I don't really have anything to cover up. If you did, you know, maybe add some concealer or color corrector to your routine. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. And I'm just using the little brush that comes with it to make this easier on me. I have less packed in here. On the mirror. Next up is blush slash highlighter. So when I'm doing something so soft as this, I think like a super blinding highlighter, it just looks weird. So I use this illuminating blush. It's the Nars Orgasm. I'm not sure if they technically call it an illuminating blush, but basically it has glitter, so I use it kind of as a highlighter as well as a blush. And then I'm just using this blush brush. So for my brows, I just have two products. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Whiz in dark brown. I forgot this is empty and did not bring in the new one. I bought a new one specifically to replace this and I forgot. So I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Whiz in dark brown and KleanColor Frameous Lash and Brow Gel. And now moving on to eyes, I do have lash extensions right now. I have lash extensions right now, so that means I don't need any mascara or anything. It's wonderful. I just have to brush them out with this little mascara brush. Just because they get kind of tangled up in my sleep. Now for eyes, I'm going to be using the Tarteist Pro To Go palette by Tarte, obviously. And I just have three basic face brushes: a small eyeshadow brush, a blending brush, and a large eyeshadow brush. So I'm just going to start off with Drive. Now taking my blending brush, I'm going to go into Stylin. Just darken that outer V. Set it with some setting spray and I'm done. So that is it for this super quick, like almost no makeup look type of thing with a super simple smoky eye. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Almost forgot to put on my lipstick. This is Face Stockholm in matte, and their matte lipstick in Absolute. and it's just a great nude for me. So now that is really it for this video.